Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2020 Kia Sportage EX all-wheel drive featured in steel gray exterior with a gray Sofino premium leatherette trim seats. This example is offered at Lou Fusz Kia in St. Louis with a sticker price of $30,095. For additional information or to arrange a test drive, contact Josh. His information is listed below. As we swing around to the back of the vehicle, you can see the EX badging. You can also see the rear spoiler. As we move down the passenger side of the vehicle, we have heated power folding side mirrors with LED turn signals in them. There you can see the 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin All Season Tires. Really an aggressive looking wheel. As we swing around to the front, we have a high beam assist, LED daytime running lights, projector fog lamps. This vehicle is equipped with blind spot collision warning, rear cross traffic, lane keeping, lane following assist, electronic stability control, driver attention warning, downhill brake, hill start, and assist control. As we move out of the back seat and into the front and passenger seat, you can see the gray Sofino leatherette trim seats, really a good looking color. Here we have the center stack. We'll talk more about that in a moment. As we slide out of the front seat, passenger seat. So in the back seat, we have additional power ports, 12 volt there on the right, and then USB on the left. And there we get a great look at the dash from door to door, as well as the steering wheel with a fingertip controls. We'll look at that a little bit closer in a moment. You can see a headliner. Here we dive into the front driver and passenger seat. There's the seats again that I mentioned, the gray Sofino. Center console. There's the steering wheel with the fingertip controls. It is a telescoping steering wheel, steering column, power driver seat, power lumbar, power windows, power mirrors, as I mentioned earlier, power lift gate. There again is the fingertip controls on the leather-wrapped steering wheel. We have an 8-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, AM/FM, MP3, 160-watt, 6-speaker audio system. This vehicle has a smart key and push-button start. Here we punch through the functionality of the 8-inch touchscreen. There you can see the phone sync. Bluetooth wireless technology. Dual zone climate control, heated front seats, three-way, three-position, high, medium, and low. Additional power ports, 12-volt power ports, as well as USB ports. There's the push-button start stop that I mentioned. Dual zone climate control. Glove box with all your manuals. Center console. I think I mentioned or failed to mention a 60-40 split fold down reclining rear seats. As far as the cargo area, it's a smart hands-free power lift gate. We have 30.7 cubic feet and 60.1 cubic feet of storage with the rear seats down. That is an adjustable level for the rear compartment there, and a power lift gate, as I mentioned. As it buttons up and we move around to the engine. So the engine's a 2.4 liter GDI 4-cylinder engine producing 181 horsepower, 6-speed quick shift automatic transmission with 22 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway.